Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a delicious and healthy recipe that's sure to impress: baked tilapia with turmeric and parsley. This dish is not only simple to prepare, but also packed with flavor and nutrients. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's warming up, take your fresh tilapia fillets and season them with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. In a bowl, whisk together an egg and a generous amount of turmeric, which adds a beautiful golden color and a wealth of health benefits. Next, dip each fillet into the egg mixture, ensuring they're well coated. Place them on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Sprinkle chopped fresh parsley over the top for a burst of freshness and flavor. Bake for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the fish flakes easily with a fork. And there you have it, a vibrant, nutritious meal that's perfect for any occasion. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Happy cooking!